All right, y'all, what is good, everybody on YouTube? So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we are getting into these Levi 3's. I do got to go pick them up from the mailbox. But before we do that, I do have some Black Hat 4's that I need to get gone. I'm selling this. This was a 7Y. Wifey already had the Black Hats from 2020, so we don't need to keep these. All right, so taking y'all along with us, and then we can get into these shoes. All right, if that's okay with you. If not, you can skip through whatever you want to do. All right, but let's go. Now, before we actually do meet up, I do have to say, this Friday has been insane, fam. So today we had the Stranger Things foams that released today, and we also had the Union Jordan 1 released today. It was the black and blue colorway. I don't necessarily know like the full name or whatever name they gave him, but y'all let me know in the comment section, did y'all hit on those? Because I hit on both. Now, were they both my size? No. They were not my size. Well, both of them were not my size. Now, the Unions were my size. I was pretty surprised on that. Nike did let me get the Unions for last year, so if you haven't, go ahead and check that video out. But y'all let me know, did y'all hit on those today? Were you in LA? Did you get anything for, All-Star Weekend? Y'all let me know. But just know, those videos are coming soon. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, we about halfway there. So I'm gonna check in with y'all whenever we get there. All right, so let's go.
Oh yeah, still got stuff
from shoe polish.
Oh, okay. Gotta make sure they squeak there. They good, bro. That's it. Yeah, that's cool.
Just in case you want to double check, I can send you that too.
That's cool, bro. That's cool.
Yeah.
I want a shoe store, bro.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
I can't really, I kind of like quick with it.
Yeah, if you want, you can just tab out.
Okay, what's that? Oh, for the Zell stuff?
Yeah.
I saw Pokemon too.
I said Pokemon, yeah. Everybody's selling them right now.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
Put that on there, all right.
2 trail soles.
2 trail soles, that's a bet.
Yeah. There you go, man. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Thank you, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you, man.
Nice doing business.
Thank you, man.
Now we head back to the house. Let's go ahead and unbox these Levi 3's, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we are back at the house. Appreciate y'all for checking out your boy. We got another unboxing / review today. We talking about these Levi Air Jordan 3's. First things first, before we actually get into the shoes, let's talk about this box. I ain't gonna lie, this box is low-key kind of sick, but it's very subtle, right? So you have the blue box all over. You do have elephant print here on the sides. Levi logo on the side as well. Red Jumpman, it's like in that red jewel, kind of like how you would see on like the Levi's logo itself. You do got the size tag, 11.5. Denim, black, gem red. Now, yet again, we have another collab. This is one out of the 2 pairs that did come out from Nike. So you had this pair, which is the black pair, and then you had the indigo pair that was essentially blue Levi's denim all around. I like these more than those just because of the wearability aspect of it, right? You can wear these with pretty much anything. They're all black. I also like how you could customize these any way you want to, because they do have that jean material. Some people like to dye jeans. You can distress them. You could take your own material. You can pretty much make these however you want. But yeah, so as you know, these are Levi branded. Y'all let me know, man. If y'all wear Levi's jeans, what's y'all favorite pair of Levi's jeans? Look, personally, my main memory that I have of Levi's jeans, growing up when I was in high school, everybody was wearing 501s. I don't know if it was like one of their main hitters back in the day, maybe like 10, 15 years ago or so, but they had the buttons instead of the zipper. That was my first time getting exposed to something like that when it comes to some type of denims or some type of jeans. And those 501s, when I tell you that you could stand them up on their own because they were so stiff. I don't know why we liked them that much, but hey, it was popular back then. Would I wear them today? Probably not. But now we talked about the box. We saw the paper on the inside from the unboxing earlier, right? You have all the information when it comes to the Levi brand. Essentially, you see this all over the jeans that they have. So pretty cool when it came to the paper there. But outside of the box, we're gonna sit this to the side because the main thing that we're here for is the shoes, right? So first things first, as you can see, you do get a few different lace options, all right? So the different lace options you have, black comes already inside of the shoe. You have red, and then you also have white. Also, you do have a nice Nike Levi hang tag on there as well. I feel like this is super dope. It's stuff like this that we miss from older pairs of shoes, or like some of the newer style shoes. They don't really give us the hang tag like this anymore. Like, nice to see it that we have it on here. You do have a warning label here on the side. It's basically just saying that due to the nature of the denim material, the dye transfer may occur. So the dye might transfer from the jeans onto maybe your clothes or stuff like that. That's typically sometimes what happens with blue jeans. Like if you wear blue jeans and then you have a white t-shirt like I have on, like how I have on now, like the jeans will transfer to the shirt, and you kind of hate when that happens, right? They just giving you that warning off the bat. Now, if I'm going to talk about these in its overall aspect, look, I would like to say that this is some pretty good material. Like the main material is the jeans, but you do still have the leather upper. The leather's soft, it's tumble. I feel like these will be very comfortable to wear. Overall, good quality on this shoe. Hey, look, if you missed out on any bigger sizes, hey, if you're any small feet gang out there, look, you still wanna get these. They still have all the small sizes all the way up to a 7.5. That's still sitting on sneakers / Nike. So if you still want these, you can still get them, but we gonna move on, right? So we got the uppers, super soft leather, buttery leather. When you come to the back tab, you do have that Nike Air. My pair is already a little bit distressed, which low key is kind of fire. The back tab does still pull back, just like any other back tab, so it's a separate piece of denim. I like how this pair in particular does have that little bit of distress at the ends. I feel like that's dope in my opinion. You may not, but y'all let me know. And on the bottoms, mainly all black outsole, red pod at the top, and then you have the Nike on the bottom. On the other end, it mimics it on both sides. Midsole is not necessarily like a bright white, but it is kind of like this is kind of like an off-white. Not necessarily a seal, but just like an egg white. Like it's not super white. Like this material here, this color is different from this color. So hopefully it can show on camera. But now let's talk about the jean material. So you do have that black denim that's wrapping around all the way from the sides into the front of the shoe. And you also have for the toe cap, it seems like it's like the inside of the jeans. So like, you know how like you'll wear jeans that'll be on the outside. That is the material that they use for the inside. So I feel like it kind of stands out, kind of separates it from the elephant print that we're normally used to seeing within a Jordan 3. Now, you do have the Levi's tag on the shoe, but it's only going to be on the right shoe. There's no Levi branding on the left one. It's only on the right shoe here. So keep that in mind. If you want to show off that Levi tag, it's only going to be on that right hand side. Now, real quick, I did want to make a comparison of why I also like these, because I mean, y'all take a wild guess. What do these look like to you? Does it look something like this shoe here? These are the black cement 3's. This is an OG classic that came out, what, I want to say maybe a year or two ago. It's been quite a while. These sat on shelves for a while, but these kind of remind me of the black cement 3's. And remember, like I said, that hang tag. We don't get the hang tags like we used to, all right? So it's good to see that we have it on the Levi's. You know, it's kind of more of a premium shoe. It's a collaboration. So maybe that's why they went all out. But black cement 3's, I feel like these kind of are like the closest thing to match them. Y'all let me know. But if y'all were to have one or the other, would you choose the OGs or are you going with Levi's? Personally, I still feel like the classics overshadow this. Not necessarily overshadow, but the classics are still great. You can't go wrong with this. All right, now, so the last thing that I do want to talk about, we have the insoles. Now, these insoles are kind of nice. So let me take out this paper shoe trees. Nothing special there. It says this is a pair of Levi's. You have the Nike Air in white. and it's a full red insole. So the insoles here are pretty cool. Yeah, so essentially the same thing. They mimic it on both insoles. That's also a plus. Pretty nice addition to the shoe. I didn't get any size tag sticker by any chance, unfortunately. So that won't be included. Maybe in your pair, I'm not too for sure, but it did not come in mine. Y'all get in the comment section, man. Did you end up grabbing a pair of these? Did you end up getting the indigo pairs? Did you pass up on them? Is this not really your cup of tea? Do you even like Jordan 3s? There's a lot of things that we can talk about inside the comment section. I'm pretty active there, so if you want to chop it up with me, if you need to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, man, today the Unions came out, and today the Stranger Things, the Vecna foam posits came out today. We did hit on both of those, fortunately, on Sneakers app. So you will see an unboxing and review of those two shoes as well. We might do it at the same time. We might separate them in its entirety, have two separate videos. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the comment section. But all in all, look, I appreciate y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button. That's pretty much it here, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all, check y'all out in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Levi's 3's unboxed, reviewed. Now it's on to the next sneaker. All right, I'm gonna check in with y'all in the next one. I'm gone.